Hey everybody, welcome to Dr. G Cooks. I'm in Northern California and I'm craving some Birria Tacos. Let's go make some. Start with about 6 guajillo chilies, about 4 red chilies, and about 4 ancho chilies. Stem and seed them. Cook your chilies over medium flame until they become fragrant, about 5 minutes. Transfer your chilies to a large saucepan. Add 1 chopped up large white onion, 10 cloves of garlic, and about 2 tablespoons roughly chopped ginger. Put all those together, add 6 cups of water, bring to a boil, turn to a simmer uncovered for about 8 minutes, then discard the liquid. Your drained chili mixture, you're going to add 2 tablespoons white vinegar, 1 tablespoon kosher salt, 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper, 1.5 teaspoons dried oregano, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon cloves, 3 bay leaves, and about 6 sprigs of thyme. Add that all together with your chili mixture. Add 2 cups of water and blend in a big blender until it's nice and smooth. Then chill till ready for use. You should end up with a big batch of beautiful, smooth, homemade adobo sauce. Take 2 pounds of chuck roast. Cut it into large chunks and sprinkle with salt, about 2 tablespoons. Coat this in your adobo sauce and refrigerate for 2 to 4 hours. Place your meat and sauce into a Dutch oven. Add 8 cups of water, bring to a boil and simmer for just a few minutes. Then put it in your oven at 300 degrees for 4 hours, then remove. Pull your meat out of the oven after 4 hours at 300 degrees. Let it cool off a little bit. Pull the chunks of meat out, separate from the sauce. After the meat cools down a little bit, shred it. You'll have a nice pile of loveliness. After you remove your meat, go ahead and simmer this for about 30 minutes to thicken it up. Once your sauce is thickened and you have that nice, deep, rich brown color, go ahead and put about 1 cup to 1.5 cups of this sauce into the shredded meat and set aside. Okay, time to make your birria taco. So take a little paper towel and just lightly oil the surface of your pan. Don't go crazy. This is not a deep fry situation. Next, take that lovely sauce that we made. Turn on your heat and get your tortilla in the sauce. Place your tortilla in the pan. Then we're going to add our meat on one side. You can just use the meat and nothing else, but I'm a big fan of cheese and then the cilantro and onion, so I'm going to add a little queso as well. And then we'll put in a little cilantro onion mixture, and then we're going to fold that over gently and pat it down. And there it is, delicious birria tacos. Be sure to serve it with the adobo sauce on the side for dipping. Sprinkle with a little bit of the onion and cilantro on top and some lime juice. These things are so delicious. I hope you'll make this recipe. Hope you'll really enjoy it. And thanks again for watching Dr. G Cooks. Please spread the word. Thank you.